What is up and welcome to a brand new video. This video is one of them videos I'm really excited to do and show with you guys. Today I've got the Scorpion exhaust, obviously from Scorpion. So I'm going to be fitting it onto my brand new Yamaha Yzf. What is that noise? I'm going to be fitting it onto my Yamaha Yzf R125. Just look at this beast. Appreciate, look how sick it looks. Look how sexy this bike looks. So yeah, I'm going to be replacing this stock exhaust with the Scorpion exhaust. It's going to be sick. If you've not already watched the unboxing video for the Scorpion exhaust, go and watch it. Got it on my channel, so go and watch that video. But anyway, without further hesitation, let's get a time lapse on of installing this exhaust. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so all the old exhaust is now off. I've got a ton of tools out. I've got a ton of tools out here. This bolt here that this bolt here that holded the exhaust bit on, so it's holded this bit on, this bit here. Literally, we couldn't get off. It got rounded, so we had to take it to the garage that's down the road. So shout out to Eurocar or something on them lines in Bloxwich. Shout out to you guys. They done it with like an air gun and a spanner and all that sort of shit. So that was Mr. Muscle. But yeah, that's all out now. So thank you so much to that garage that sorted that out. That exhaust is off. So now all that we've got to do is install the brand new Scorpion exhaust. I'm so excited. Let's run the time lapse. Let's go.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. 'Cause they fill the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You'd think me rude, but I would just stand and stare. Cause I'd get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they
Oh my god, the exhaust looks absolutely crazy. Look at this exhaust. So it comes from a connection in here from the engine all the way down here to the connector pipe to the actual exhaust. That just looks too bad. Just look at that. Oh, that looks sick. Oh, I'm well happy I went with this style for the bike. It looks amazing. That looks absolutely amazing, man. Okay, so this is first time starting it up. Are you ready? Is that recording? I need this recording. First time starting it up. Are you ready? Okay, on. Oh shit. On. Okay, I'm so excited now. Like literally. Oh. Okay, in neutral. What is this thing? That sounds crazy. No way. That sounds crazy, guys. I'm well chuffed. And my dad's trying to be a cameraman. Oh my god. Oh. The exhaust. Woo. Oh, that's mad. Oh, this bike's, oh my god, I'm so hyped. Oh, I need to give it some revs, ready? Oh my god, Scorpion, thank you so much. That exhaust system is absolutely crazy. So that has been like an install of the Scorpion exhaust system for the Yamaha Yzf R125. Absolutely mad. I'm so chuffed. I'm so chuffed, guys. I'm so chuffed. But anyway, if you do like this video, give it a big massive thumbs up. If you are brand new around here, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below what you think of this exhaust. Guys, I want to see nothing but good comments. This exhaust is crazy, the bike's crazy now. A few more mods and it'll be the best Yamaha Yzf R125 on the road. Bro, I'm excited. I'll catch you in my next video. Remember, enjoy life. Until next time, see ya, bye!